Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 18th of August 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now, gold prices are trading back above $2,000 per ounce. And for everybody who watched our week ahead commodity report, which currently is over 10,000 of you, congratulations. Exactly what we predicted would happen has occurred here. So did you catch it? Did you catch the move here on the precious metals? We've seen breakouts now on gold, silver, platinum and palladium, exactly as predicted. In fact, for us at the Gold and Silver Club, this has been a massive move in just a matter of a couple of days here. We are currently up 2,055 points in our open positions across those metals. Just to give you some context for that, over a 2,000 point move here on the metals. For each contract that you have running, that's over $20,000 or pounds or euros of profit. In fact, if you were in, for example, 10 contracts long on the same positions that we are, you're going to be in over 200,000 US dollars or pounds or euros worth of profit. It's been that big of a move that we've seen here since last week. You can see gold prices, they dipped down to 1,860 US dollars per ounce last week, only now just within the matter of under 1 week to be back above $2,000 per ounce. And this is where many traders, they got squeezed out of their long positions. They then reverse positions, started to go for a sell short. And with the capitulation that we've seen from last week here with both gold, silver, platinum and palladium, this has meant that we've had an even faster breakout to the upside, as many who hedged and went sell short have now been stopped out of those trades and need to reverse again to go long, where of course we're not that far away from the all-time highs yet again here on gold. So it's been an incredible move over the last few days. For the comments that we've seen on our week ahead commodity report, many of you were able to catch the move as well, which is exactly what we want for you at the Gold and Silver Club here, to be able to capitalize. And we have many news items that are going to be coming up over the next month, which are going to provide further volatility and big opportunities here. Going to September, we have non-farm payrolls in the first week, we have the European Central Bank announcement in the second week, and then we have the FOMC statement in the third week. And then of course, we're going to be moving closer to the US elections. All of this volatility provides fantastic opportunities for trading the metals. Now, right now, as you've probably seen, but the US dollar continues to decline. So far this month, it's down over 1%. So we're seeing a debasement of the US dollar. Not only that, of course, interest rates around the world have gone very close down to zero. In some countries, they've gone negative. There's really never been a better time for you to take control of your capital and make it work hard for you. As you know, just sitting in a bank account, if you've got your capital, for example, in dollars, it's depreciated this month over 1%. It's broken down to 3-year lows. If you're looking for high yield in savings accounts and so forth, as you know, more or less you're going to get 0% interest or maybe slightly above that, but it's really not going to be able to catch up with inflation that we're seeing right now. So there really has never been a better time to take control of your finances and learn how to trade, and particularly the precious metals. So with that, where are we poised at the moment? So I mentioned on the week ahead commodity report that overall you want to be building long positions here, and the takedown that we saw last week on the metals, we talked to you in detail about that, where we saw the update from Goldman Sachs on Tuesday. They were banking their positions on the precious metals for both gold and silver. We were very quick and nimble to react, banking our profits across gold, silver, platinum and palladium, and then reloading lower. So this is exactly what you want to be doing. You want to be keeping a very close eye on where you see those reversals in the market, the key liquidity zones, what the hedge funds, the money managers are doing, which have continued to accumulate on these dips in the latest week. We've seen that especially for platinum and palladium, where they've reloaded again on the dips here. And now we're seeing gold and silver, of course, catch a bid, where we're almost back at the swing highs here. So we now have all of our positions. They're locked in again. We have our trades all protected. We're currently up over 2,000 points on our positions, which I mentioned. If you're trading for each one lot contract that you would be trading the metals, you'd be up over $20,000 at the moment. If, for example, you were up over 10 lots on the trades, that's 200,000 US dollars in the matter of just 1 week. Now, of course, that does depend on your portfolio size there, but just to give you some understanding and context in terms of the magnitude of that move that we've seen in the latest week. Now, I would watch very closely the gold-silver ratio at the moment. We started to break back down towards 70 to 1 now. So as the gold silver ratio breaks down, this will favor gold and silver prices to break out to the upside. And of course, we've got that perfect storm right now where we've got dollar weakness as well. So the dollar at the moment breaking down towards a 92 level, and the gold-silver ratio breaking down at the moment propels gold and silver higher. So really the next major levels I'm looking at here, I want to see if gold can have a sustained move above 2,000 US dollars per ounce, and if silver can close above the 28.50 level. These would be the next zones that I would really like to see the price action close above in order to then make a march back towards the recent highs that we've seen. Now, I mentioned it also on the week ahead commodity report that typically the last couple of weeks of August is very strong for the metals, but you want to watch out for the minutes of the FOMC, which we have on Wednesday. So that can provide volatility, a good opportunity to lock in some additional profits. And of course, volatility that we're expecting going into September gives you great opportunity to not only capitalize on the upside of the moves, but also the downside as well, trading the ranges. And this is where our research, our market intelligence, our data is going to help you a lot to be able to trade the same way the hedge funds, the money managers do, in order to really capitalize on the next massive moves here that we could see over the coming weeks and into the final quarter of the year as well. So with that, of course has been Gold Asset of the Day. If you would like to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club, join a community of successful traders, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.